Kevin, I party.
No, you don't. Okay, nobody parties but me.
Yes. And we party.
No.
Yeah, just Rod.
Yes.
And me.
No. I'm the only one who parties.
I'm pretty sure I've partied before.
No, Kevin, I know for a fact you don't party.
Training's going great, but Frank's running out of time. So I'm officially kicking off phase 2. Operation Fiscal Jackhammer. Starting right now, we're gonna fill this jug with $5,000. Let's work.
I've gone through changes, I've gone through pain, but it's not enough reason for me to go insane. I know the feeling.